friends, and welcome to another knit crate unboxing. I got this month's knit crate and I wanted to open it in front of you and share with you what goodies are inside. And if you stay all the way to the end of the video, I am going to let you know how you can enter a chance to win this exact box for yourself. So be sure you watch all the way to the end and I'll give you all the details. Okay, so just like in last month's video, Knit Crate is a subscription box that appeals to knitters and crocheters. They have hand-dyed yarns inside. They come with patterns, very beautiful materials, and inexpensive and flexible for different types of needs and wants in a subscription box, which is really nice. So inside of your Knit Crate, you're going to find two skeins or hanks of yarn, and these are very beautiful. You can see that very light green colorway right there and kind of that braided texture. And if we look here, we see this is Vitellana. I'm going to guess that's how you say it, Vitellana. And this yarn consists of 48% merino wool, 20% baby alpaca, and 32% organic cotton. It is a DK weight consisting of approximately 274 yards. And then it gives care and washing instructions and then some suggested needle sizes. And as you can see, you have two of these, so you have lots and lots of yarn to work with here. And this month they sent a fun logo pin and enamel pin that's super fun. I know that I'm trying to build up my pin collection, so this will be a fun addition. And then along with the yarn and a little extra goodie, you get a gorgeously illustrated pattern booklet, and inside they give you all of the details. And so here are two kit options. This is the membership crate, which is what I got. And then there's the sock crate. So if you are a sock maker and you enjoy doing that, that would be a subscription for you. So mistletoe or chill out is the one that I got, but these other two are gorgeous. And that's kind of a surprise which yarn you wind up getting. But firewood all natural is absolutely stunning. And then mittens energize me. So these are the colorway options that you could have gotten this month. And then in the sock crate, you have this berry bright, which is stunning if you are a fan of bright colors. That would be a very fun pair of socks to make. Silver bells, and then garland. And then as you progress through this little booklet, you see the different types of patterns that you can make with the yarns. You have the crochet socks, you have the knit socks here, you have knit leg warmers, which are fun, you have a crochet scarf, and then moving forward is all of the pattern details and stuff. So everything is just, like I said, beautifully illustrated inside of the book. Obviously, I don't want to give away too much, but all the patterns are in the back, so I can't show you that. But these are your 4 pattern options. So if you crochet and knit, obviously you've essentially got 4 new patterns that you get to work with. And then if you just crochet, you have 2 patterns to try out, because obviously you could still make the socks even if you didn't get the sock crate. And then you just wouldn't have that yarn, but you could get your own. And then if you just knit, you'd have 2 new knitting patterns. So really simple and easy. So the way that I want to do this is I'm going to have a link down in the description box for you to head over to the blog, and I am going to be giving away one of these exact boxes. So all you have to do is head over to the blog, sign up, follow the prompts to enter the giveaway, and that's it. I'll announce the winner after Christmas. I'll do it on my Instagram account, so make sure that you are following along on Instagram. All of that information is linked down below. And yeah, just a fun way for you to try out a subscription box and see if it might be for you. If you don't feel like entering the giveaway and you know that this is something you want, all of that information will be linked down below as well. So that being said, again, here's one more close-up look of that yarn. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus on the yarn. Very, very beautiful and very soft and squishy. And actually, I'm gonna lift up one of these just so you can see the strand and the texture right there. Very beautiful and stunning. So if you want to give this a try, make sure you head down and enter the giveaway below, and I will see you guys in the next video.